17 conference. Um, and I think this session, today's session should be of a lot of importance for us. All right, as people said yesterday, all right, the next world war will be fought on water. All right, so we better get ready for it. My pleasant duty is to introduce our speaker of the day, Dr. Mukesh Kumar, who is currently the director of the Indo-French Center for the Promotion of Advanced Research, IFCPAR, in Delhi. Okay, Dr. Mukesh got his PhD. Dr. Mukesh Kumar got his PhD from Agra University in Biological Sciences. Then he joined this IFCPAR, sorry about that. Okay, quite some time ago in 2015. This organization, CEF-IPRA, is India's first and France's only bilateral organization which has been in existence for more than 29 years. This organization is committed to promote collaboration between the scientific communities of the two countries, India and France, across knowledge innovation chain. Earlier to joining this as director, Dr. Mukesh Kumar has worked for more than 25 years with the International Health Division, IHD, of ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research in New Delhi, and more recently as head of IHD to assist the coordination, monitoring and evaluation of international cooperation in biomedical sciences between India and all other countries, not just France. He has represented India as a member of in various joint working groups, joint steering committees for discussions, reviews, and joint evaluation of bilateral, multilateral programs between India and other countries, coordinated by various ministries and departments in Delhi and agencies. He was the member secretary for various international collaborative programs and was member secretary for Health Ministry's Screening Committee for Consideration of International Collaborative Research Projects in Health and Biological System Research. I now invite Dr. Mukesh Kumar to address the audience.
So very good morning to everybody. Dr. S.K. Chopra, Dr. S.K. Gupta, Dr. Nilima, and I didn't get your name actually, I'm sorry for that. And Professor Vinva from University of Pythons. Yeah, that I know. Yeah, all universities I'm aware of. I'm bringing greetings from Indo-French Center for Promotion of Advanced Research. This is IFCPAR. Yeah, you corrected. So this is, in fact, when we call it in English, it is IFCPAR, and in French language it is CIFIPRA. So this is Centre Franco-Indian pour la Promotion de la Advanced Research, right? So this is a center which was created by the two governments, the government of India and government of France, almost 29 years ago. We are going to celebrate 30 years of its creation this year, in the middle of this year. So this is a unique platform or unique arrangement which has been created by the two governments in India and France. And I would like to tell you a little bit about the center first, and then we will come to the topic, which is water, which is a very important topic which has been picked up by this university, and it is definitely going to make some changes through the research results which are coming out of the projects which are running, one here, one in Bangalore. We are expecting a lot of good outcome which will definitely solve the problem of water. The challenges which country both the countries in this case are facing the problem. So coming to the first about something about Indo-French Center, the center is supporting programs in many areas of science and technology, including water, the other areas like physics, chemistry, mathematics, environmental and earth sciences, computational sciences, biological sciences. So these are all areas under the umbrella of SNT. So water was recently added in 2013 when two governments decided, based on the urge of the French and Indian government, that we must reinforce our scientific collaboration in the very important area which is water. So the idea was to study the challenges, the upcoming challenges, the existing challenges which the country is facing. And as you know that water is, in the beginning itself, it was said that water is such an important, which is touching the society in various forms, because you can't do anything without water. So we are going to join through this mechanism. We are going to open new dimension to understand the fundamental questions related to the water, and we are definitely it will be the area which is of course related to the societal need. So therefore the program which we have seen, the program has been designed in such a way that at the end of the day or end of the 3 days deliberations, that we will have some great ideas how to, just a minute, let me put it up. So how to tackle the problem, and some solutions may definitely be helpful for the policymakers. And as you know, the Department of Science and Technology, which is funding the program, which is called IFWN. This is Indo-French Water Network. This was created 3 years ago, and this is a program which is supported by two governments again, in the form of Ministry of Science and Technology, Department of Science and Technology here in India, and the French Embassy is supporting this program. So this is a joint effort by the two governments, and CIFIPRA is facilitating. CIFIPRA again, I would say the IFCP or CIFIPRA, one of the same thing. So both countries, they promote scientific research in the mutual areas of interest. So this area is again a mutual area of interest. So we are doing some kind of brainstorming here, and definitely the stakeholders, like I have seen the list of participants which are from different universities, different IITs, NITs and different universities. I have seen 3 universities in French side. One is the University of Montpellier and University of Poitiers, and one more university which I saw, Rennes, yeah, University of Rennes. So these 3 universities are definitely participating from France. They're very important. It shows that how important this area has been recognized by the two countries. So definitely we would expect that some showcasing will be done. The areas of interest will be identified, and in fact I had a meeting last week with the European Commission only 3 days ago, and when I told them that I am going to attend this meeting at University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, and they were very enthusiastic about it. And in next 2 days, in fact I had a meeting on 17 or 18, so after that they have sent me some kind of message which I can circulate it here, that there will be a call. There will be a call which will be by European Commission in water sometime in October. So because here you have a gathering, the August gathering here, who is either they are planning to take research in water or they are already doing something in water. So this is another opportunity, the funding opportunity which is coming to your doorstep, that the European Commission is going to open a call, and this will be a co-funded call which will be either by any part of the Ministry of Science and Technology, DST or DBT. So they have finalized some negotiation and they are going to do that. So not only India or France, so what I am trying to say here is that the whole world, as rightly pointed out by Dr. Gupta, that next war will be the war for water. And in fact, there is a program in technology mission of DST, that war for water. In fact, this program is running, and Supreme Court, the Honorable Supreme Court also gave some of the directives to the Ministry of Science and Technology few years ago, and this area has started, developing in a big way. So this is how this Indo-French water network, it is in line with war for water, and it is in line with the national priority. It is in line with the global priority. So, and you never know that the research which is done or the idea which is developed in one part of the country or one part of the world may have or may find applications elsewhere. So similarly, the solutions for meeting the challenges you find here may find applications anywhere in the world, because of the industrialization in the whole world, the water is becoming a problem. So is the case with the France, because in India, as you all are aware, that the 98% water is salt water. Only 2% is fresh water. And out of this fresh water, 2% of fresh water, 87% is ice, in the ice form. So what remains for you, what remains for us is the only 13%, and out of 13%, the 12% is groundwater and 1% is from lakes and rivers. So the population, when we grow, when we modernize, our economy is growing, then definitely we need some adjustments. We need some adjustments in technologies. So maybe, because here the university is going to do some survey, because I have seen their 2 years program in the project which they are running here, which is called Swachh Nil, that they are going to have some survey, then they are going to suggest some technologies. At the end of the 2 years, they are going to suggest some solutions, and they are involving number of stakeholders. The industry is involved, so many universities are involved. So like IIT Roorkee is partnering with this program here with Swachh Nil. Similarly, they are also trying to disseminate the importance of the area through various mechanisms. So the area is very, very important. The whole world is looking for this kind of deliberations, and I'm sure at the end of the day or at the end of the workshop or seminar or thematic school, whatever you may call it, will find some good solutions for the policymakers. With this, I wish you all good luck, and once again my greetings for all the participants from India, all the participants from France. They have come from all the way from different universities, and I welcome you once again on behalf of CIFIPRA, on behalf of my two co-chairs which are in India and France. Thank you very much for attending this.